Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download any movie or show from Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your smartphone or your PC. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. So go ahead and use your credentials for your account. And after logging in, you will be asked to select your account. Tap on your account name, and once you have been logged in, you will be taken to the Netflix homepage. Now you can use the search box or browse through the various shows to find the show that you are interested in for downloading the show. Once you find the show that you want to download, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the download button underneath the play button. Go ahead and tap on this and this will begin the download of the show that you just selected. You can check the progress by tapping on the download option at the bottom right corner and you will see the download progress within this page. And once the file is downloaded, you can enjoy the downloaded show even when you are offline. And you can do this with as many number of shows that you want in order to view your favorite shows even when you don't have an internet connection. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download any show that you wish on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.